Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, we went through the problems related to planes. Today, I am going to continue the problems which are related to 11.1 exercise. Sorry, 11.3 exercise, right? Now, right on the next one. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane or else 1 minute. Write down the theorem. First of all, write down the theorem. State and prove normal form of a plane. State and prove normal form of a plane or that can also be given in another method. Prove that the vector equation of plane. Prove that the vector equation of plane in the normal form is r bar dot n cap is equals to d, and its Cartesian form is Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to P. I am going to repeat two statements. The first one, state and prove the normal form of a plane, or this is theorem number 1, which is very important for 5 marks question. After completion of this theorem, let us discuss the problems related to it. Right now, second one, that can also be written as prove that the vector equation of plane in the normal form is r bar dot n cap is equals to d. R bar dot n cap is equals to d. And its Cartesian form is Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to P. Yes. How to do that problem? First of all, what is the meaning of the word normal called? Normal is nothing but perpendicular, right? This is a plane. I am going to discuss this one 2 or 3 times. First of all, observe this one. Let me consider pi is equals to 0 be the plane. Let O be the fixed point. Capital N, comma P are the points in the plane. OP bar is equals to R bar. Let me consider a unit vector n cap in the direction of ON bar. I am repeating. Let me consider n cap be the unit vector along the direction of ON bar. That means ON cap, ON bar or ON cap is equals to ON bar by mod ON, right? ON bar is equals to N cap by mod N cap value is equals to 1, right? Now, if you observe this one carefully, NP bar is equals to, what you are going to get? NP bar is equals to OP bar minus ON bar, am I right? NP bar is equals to OP bar over theorem. NP bar is equals to OP bar minus ON bar, right? OP bar is equals to R bar, right? Right? And ON bar, this is nothing but ON bar. Let us write ON bar is equals to ON cap into mod ON, right? Which is nothing but N cap. Understood? Now, if you observe this one carefully, NP bar is perpendicular to ON bar, right? Which implies ON bar dot NP bar is equals to 0, or NP bar dot ON bar is equals to 0, which implies R bar minus N cap dot ON bar is equals to N cap U bar, right? Is equals to, or else you can observe N cap into D. Why? Because in the RHS you should get D na. So you can consider that one as N times of D, where ON bar is equals to mod ON bar is equals to, let us consider that one as D. So it becomes ND, right? Otherwise, better to do like this. Very easy method I will discuss now. Observe. Wait a minute. Let me consider one plane like this, right? Pi is equals to 0. Whatever I am going to write, whatever I am going to do, you should write like this. Let pi is equals to 0 be the plane. N comma P are the points on the plane. Write down. See here, N comma P are the points on the plane. Observe whatever I am drawing, I am writing. Let O be the fixed point. Let O be the fixed point such that OP bar is equals to R bar, right? Now, see here. OP bar is equals to R bar. I am going to consider the distance ON, right? ON distance is equals to D. That means mod ON is equals to, see I am writing here, ON cap is equals to ON bar by mod ON. I am going to write this ON bar is equals to N cap into mod ON is equals to D. Okay. Now ON bar is equals to N cap into D. I am repeating this step once again. I am going to consider the distance from O to N is D units. ON bar, ON cap is equals to, that means the unit vector along ON cap is equals to ON bar by mod ON. Mod ON bar is equals to D. So ON cap is equals to N cap na? N cap into D, that is equals to ON bar. Now, if you observe, that means NP bar is equals to OP bar minus ON bar, which is nothing but R bar minus N cap into D. Understood? That means from this one you can observe NP bar is perpendicular to ON bar. which implies the dot product of NP bar and ON bar should be equals to 0, which implies R bar minus N cap into D into ON bar, ON dot dot. ON bar is equals to N cap into D again, right? Which is equals to 0. Okay, or you should do one thing. Yes. Now, which implies R bar dot N cap minus N cap square into D is equals to 0. From this one, you can write R bar dot N cap is equals to D, where mod N cap square, N bar dot N bar is equal to mod N bar square. Mod N bar means magnitude of N cap is equals to 1. Unit vector na? So R bar dot N cap is equals to D is the answer, right? I am going to repeat this one once again. Observe this. Let pi is equals to 0 be the plane. Don't write anything else, as this is new. This takes time to you because this is very important. Okay, I am going to revise it more than 2 times. Nothing to worry, right? Because these problems are very important and definite question. In these 5 theorems, 1 theorem is important, and you are going to get 1 question for 5 marks. Okay, so don't be hurry. I am going to repeat this more than 2 or 3 times. Observe this carefully. After that, I will give you time to write. Okay. Now, let pi is equals to 0 be the plane. N comma P are the 2 points on the plane. Let O be the fixed point such that OP bar is equals to R bar. Okay. I am going to consider let N cap be the vector along. Let N cap be the vector along ON bar. I skip. N cap be the vector along ON bar. Okay, that means you are having one formula. The unit vector along A bar can be written as A cap is equals to A bar upon mod A bar. So ON bar, the ON cap is equals to ON bar by mod ON. So mod ON is equals to distance from O to N, that is nothing but D units. Now, ON bar is equals to N cap into D. Now, if I consider, see here, OP bar is equals to you got, ON bar is equals to N cap into D you got. Now, NP bar is equals to OP bar minus ON bar. You are going to get this, right? After that, NP bar is perpendicular to ON cap. ON cap is equals to N cap. Okay? ON cap is equals to N cap. Or else, you can also write this step. NP bar is perpendicular to N cap. Here itself I used N cap be the unit vector along ON bar. So even you can write NP bar is perpendicular to N cap. So NP bar dot N cap is equals to 0. What is NP bar? R bar minus N cap into D into N dot N cap. Dot N cap is equals to 0. Now R bar dot N cap minus see here N cap dot N cap is equals to mod N bar square. N bar square, that means modulus is equals to 1 into D is equals to 0. Now R bar dot N cap is equals to D is the what it is required vector equation of plane. Copy this one. While copying, I am going to repeat once again. Let pi be, copy this one slowly. This is only vector form. You should write the side heading vector form. Let pi is equals to 0 be the plane. Let pi is equals to 0 be the plane. Capital N comma P are the, observe, N comma P are the points on the plane. Let O be the fixed point such that OP bar is equals to R bar and I am going to consider one unit vector along ON bar such that you can write this one there itself if you want. ON cap is equals to ON bar by mod ON bar. Let me consider mod ON bar is equals to D units. So by doing cross multiplication, ON bar is equals to N cap into D. Right? NP bar is perpendicular to ON cap. So the dot product should be equals to 0. Mod N cap value is equals to 1. So mod N cap square value is also 1. You should know the property N bar dot N bar is equals to mod N square. I hope you understood. Is it over? I hope you wrote it. Yes. The next side heading it is Cartesian form. If you want to write the Cartesian form, you require vector form initially, right? Cartesian form, right? Let me consider what is the vector form of this one. R bar dot N cap is equals to D na. So first of all, you consider R bar is equals to xi unknown vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is equal zk bar, and N bar or N cap is equals to Li bar plus mj bar plus nk bar. Okay, which implies we know that R bar dot N cap is equals to D, which implies L, observe this one, xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar dot N cap is equals to Li plus mj plus nk bar is equals to D. Now doing dot product, which you are going to get as Lx plus my plus nz is equals to D. I am going to repeat this one again. To write the Cartesian form, we require the vector form. What is the vector form? What is the vector equation of plane? R bar dot N cap is equals to D. So R bar is not known to you, right? So you should consider that one as R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, zk, and N cap is equals to Li plus mj plus nk, right? R bar, we know that R bar dot N cap is equals to D. Substitute in this one, you are going to get this. You know the dot product A1i plus A1a plus A1i plus B1j plus C1k dot A2i plus B2j plus C2k is equals to A1a2 plus B1b2 plus C1c2 in dot product. Copy this one. I hope you have copied that. Over. Yes, write down the next problem. Write down the problem related to this theorem which are in exercise. Before that, don't consider that I am repeating once again. Okay, I am going to repeat that entire theorem. Okay, just hint. You consider this is a plane. Just take 2 points, N and P, O fixed point. The thing it is, you can write whatever you want as a data, like pi is equal to 0, like that. But you should understand the heart of the theorem, like OP bar R bar. ON is nothing but distance, na? Mod ON or ON is nothing but distance, na? You consider ON is equals to D. Okay, and just consider a unit vector along this ON bar, which is nothing but N cap. So what will be that one? ON cap value is equals to ON bar by mod ON, where mod ON value is equals to D na. So from this one, ON bar is equals to N cap into D. It's over. Simple logic. NP bar. See, observe here. NP bar is perpendicular to ON bar, right? NP bar is perpendicular to, even you can write N cap also. NP bar is perpendicular to N cap. Simple logic. NP bar dot N cap is equals to 0. NP bar is equals to OP bar minus ON bar na, dot N cap is equals to 0. Now R bar minus ON bar is equals to N cap into D dot N cap is equals to 0. Now dot product, distributive property, N cap minus mod N cap square into D is equal to 0. Mod N cap value is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, R bar dot N cap minus D is equal to 0. R bar dot N cap is equals to D. Why I am repeating this one 3 times means this is very important. You are going to get definite question for 5 marks. This theorem and next theorem and next theorem, right? 3 theorems are there in planes and 2 theorems are there in lines. In those 5 theorems, 1 theorem is compulsory. You should write both, whether he has asked you or not. You should write both vector form and Cartesian form. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, now you can write the Cartesian form very easily. Okay, now take down. Next, problems on this. Problems. Take down the first problem related to this theorem. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane which is at distance of, find the equation of plane which is at distance of seven units from the origin, and normal to the vector, 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 6K bar. Find the vector equation of plane which is at 7 units distance from origin and normal to 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 6K bar. This is the equation. Now, how to do this one? What has been given to you and what you should find. Sir, he has not asked you to write the normal form. He has given you the distance. What is that distance called? See, he has given a plane like this. He asked you to find the equation of this plane. O is the fixed point now. Origin to n, 7 units given to you. That is D is equal to 7 units. OP bar is general R bar. OP bar is general R bar and normal to the plane. That means n bar given to you. Okay. First of all, solution. Given distance from origin to the plane is 7, which is equals to D. Okay, D is equals to 7 units given to you. Okay, let n bar is equals to 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 6K bar. Find out n cap. N cap is equals to n bar by mod n bar, which is equals to 3I plus 5J minus 6K upon root of 9 plus 25 plus 36. Right? Right? Now, simplifying this, you are going to get 3I plus 5J minus 6K bar upon, now observe, it is 36 plus 34, right? It is of 70 under root, right? Now, what is the equation? Required equation is R bar dot n cap is equals to D. Means you just keep this R bar as it is, dot n cap 3I plus 5J minus 6K upon root 70 is equals to 7 units. This is the answer. I am going to repeat this once again. First of all, given what has been given to you? Given distance from origin to the plane is D is equals to 7 units. You should consider that one as, means the given vector as n bar. N bar is equals to 3I plus 5J minus 6K. Right? Now, in the formula, it is given as R bar dot n cap is equals to D naught, right? So you should find out n cap. Okay, you should find out n cap. N cap is equals to n bar by mod n bar. N bar is equals to 3I plus 5J minus 6K by root of. That root of value is equals to 70, and substitute that value in R bar dot n cap is equals to D. Okay, and don't try to simplify. Copy that one. I hope you have copied that. Copy that one slowly. Find the Cartesian equation of plane r bar dot I plus j minus k is equals to 2. Find the Cartesian equation of plane r bar dot I plus j minus k is equals to 2. See, Cartesian equation means you should get the equation in terms of Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to P, right? So, first of all, you should write what is that R bar. You don't know the R bar value one. So, consider that one as Xi plus Yj plus Zk, right? Let us consider R bar is equals to, see, let R bar is equals to Xi plus Yj plus Zk, okay, and given R bar dot I plus j minus k is equals to 2, Xi plus Yj plus Zk dot I plus j minus k is equals to 2, right? Now it is equals to x plus y minus z is equals to 2. This is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to D. Okay, copy this one. I am going to repeat this. You consider R bar is equals to Xi plus Yj plus Zk and substitute here and write the dot product of those two. You are going to get the answer. Write on the next question, which I wrote on the board. R bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equals to 1. R bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equals to 1. Okay, same 2i 3j minus 4k is equals to 1, right? Now you are going to get 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equals to 1. 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equals to 1 is the required equation. Yes. Next one. R bar dot, same question. Find the Cartesian equation of plane R bar dot s minus 2t into I plus 3 minus t into j plus 2s plus t into k is equals to 15. Wherever there is R bar, you just substitute xi plus yj plus zk. Let R bar is equals to xi plus yj plus zk, right? Now substitute here xi plus yj bar plus zk bar dot s minus 2t into I bar plus 3 minus t into j bar plus 2s plus t into k bar is equals to 15. Right? Now you can write this one as s minus 2t into x plus 3 minus t into y plus 2s plus t into z is equals to 15. Copy this one. Tomorrow we can continue the problems on this one. Have a nice day.